This is one of the free tools you can use to unlock any type of button phone. As you can see, this is Itel 2160. So the phone, if you just turn it on, it will show password for you to unlock the password. So I'm going to show you how you are going to unlock it using this free software. This software is called MTK Flash Tools. So as you can see, the phone is locked. I cannot unlock it. Trying 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 into 4 places is not working. So let me show you how to unlock this phone. As you can see, this is Itel 2160. So first of all, you have to turn the phone off. Okay, as you can see, I've turned it off now. So I've removed the battery and put it back again. So the software is very simple to use. So some people have been complaining that they try using a miracle crack to unlock this phone. Sometimes it doesn't work. You can use these other tools. It's very simple, though sometimes miracle tools is always very complicated. If you don't really understand it, you might not be able to use it perfectly. So let me show you now. So what you are going to do is just to click format on this software. You don't need to click any other thing. As you can see, you click on that format. When you click on that format, you will see what is showing on the screen. Now you click on OK. Just click on OK. As you can see now, click on that OK button. Okay, that is all. So what you are going to do now is just to insert your cable. Just put the battery. After putting the battery, now you now insert the cable to the phone. So just wait and watch what I'm going to do. Please like this video, share this video. If you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment section. So I'm going to insert my cable to the phone. You don't need to press any button. Just insert the cable and leave it. Just wait for some time. As you can see, it has finished formatting the phone. It's done now. It's showing on the screen successful. So it is done 100%. Very, very simple and very easy, as you can see now. So let me turn the phone on. So we'll check if there is still password in the phone or if there is no password. Please, if you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment section. So as you can see, there is no more password. It's showing English, showing my language and my time. So you select language, select time, and that is all. The phone is open perfectly well. So another thing that I want to show you that is making the button phone that you want to flash that is not working or is not flashing is because the phone, maybe the charging port has issue and it's not reading from the device manager. I think that is why. So sometimes before you flash any button phone or you unlock any button phone, always go to your search bar. Look at what I'm going to do now. Go to your search bar, type device manager. As you can see now, this is the device manager. Then you click on open the device manager. When you open the device manager, you can still keep the phone on or you just off the phone anyhow. Just make sure the device manager is open. Then you just insert your cable. Just wait for it to open. When you insert your cable and you see a reading on the device manager, you see it's reading, just know that the phone is going to flash. The phone is connected to the USB port and all the legs are properly connected, so it's going to unlock. But if the phone is charging, it's showing charging, but if you read it from the device manager and it is not working, just know that the phone is not going to flash. So the only thing you are going to do now to flash the phone is you remove the charging port and you change it back again, put a complete charging port, and the phone is going to work perfectly. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.